Hello everyone, my name is Dal Cosmiano and I am the leader of the Physics Seekers. And today, we will be doing an experiment if infrared will work if we wrap it with plastic, paper, towel, and aluminum foil by using a remote. Normally, this is how remote control works. Now, let's try it with plastic. It works. Now, let's try it with paper.
It also works.
Now, we will try it with towel. As you can see, it also works. Lastly, now we will try it with aluminum foil. As you can see, aluminum foil blocks the infrared light.
Why those aluminum foil blocks the light of infrared?
Because any electrically conductive material will block infrared. The greater the conductivity, the greater the blocking. Aluminum foil will kill all infrared, both high range or low range.
Jairil, I have a question. Why does paper doesn't block the infrared light? But paper is not transparent, so why?
Because some of the objects are translucent, meaning they only let some light through. And an example of translucent object is paper.